At Norton Healthcare, providing quality health care to all those we serve is part of our founding mission. To us, that means no matter your age, your race, your religion, your ethnicity, your gender identity, or your sexual orientation, we promise to serve you with compassion and empathy. We've made the same commitment to inclusion with our employees. Everyone is welcome in the Norton family. I want you to meet Crystal Christie, a team member in our Information Services Department. Crystal joined Norton Healthcare last year after a disheartening experience with her previous employer. Unfortunately, Crystal's story is one shared among many members of the LGBTQ community.
I had a couple of calls where I went out to potential clients, and when I went to go actually meet the people, in one instance, when I went to the location and knocked on the door, they weren't expecting my gender presentation. So they'd talked to me on the phone. I believe they'd gotten a good picture of what they thought I looked like in their mind. When I show up, I look a little different. That is something that is challenging for a lot of folks. They wouldn't actually let me in to the door. It was really hard for me. I take a lot of pride in what I do. I'd like to think I'm very good at what I do, and it was really tough for me to have an experience like that that was really solely based on my gender expression. The mission, vision, and values of Norton are something that every employee works really hard to understand and exemplify daily. We talk about it all the time at Norton because it matters. And respecting every person is a key value. And it's not just what we say, but it's important because I see us doing it. We actually are doing those things that we say we do. And I think that's where a lot of organizations misstep. They say they respect every person. They say they respect gender identity. They say they respect inclusion, but then they don't practice it. We practice that here. And that is what's really amazing about Norton. You know, I'm just very excited to be a part of Norton. I'm very excited to be a part of In Pride. It is an important part of who I am as an individual, but it's not the only part of who I am. And I think Norton gets both of those sides, right? They understand that it is an important part of me. They want to respect that and value that. But they also understand that it's not all of me, that I'm also this very smart, capable leader, and they recognize that as well.
Stories like Crystal's are why we're proud to announce we've received the designation of Leader in LGBTQ Healthcare Equality from the Human Rights Campaign with a perfect score of 100 on the Healthcare Equality Index. This designation signals we are moving in the right direction as a healthcare provider and employer, and we're excited to do even more. Empathy and understanding are at the heart of great human interactions. As we celebrate our Healthcare Equality Leader designation, let's remain focused on the mission that brought us here: service to all.